Alright guys, so here's my
I want to try your hot dog too. Compare them.
here's my
Yes.
wow. Tell me that does not look good. I mean, tell me that looks good. You sure? Spicy, go ahead.
If you have extra, I'll take it.
Spicy.
What do you think? What do you think of my cooking? Yeah?
It's not spicy though.
Oh no?
It's not spicy.
Yeah? Wait till you eat the whole thing.
What's yours? You get rice?
A little bit.
Who's this right here? This you?
Mine. Yeah, that's mine.
What'd you make?
Cashew stir fry.
Oh,
All I really want is the pineapple.
what'd you make?
Pad thai.
Pad Thai? There you go. What'd you make?
I made fried cashews.
Fried cashews, okay.
Yeah, and look how like.
Lauren?
Right.
Pad Thai? Pad Thai. Cody. Whose Pad Thai is this one? Me. Oh, you made that one. Okay.
Okay, now you can.
Alright, so we all get to eat now.
Fucking savages.
Check in later. I'm hungry. Alright guys, so the next meal I'm gonna make is the khao soi, which I'm actually super excited to make because I never made khao soi before, so this is gonna be my first time. But we had some of the girls that were with us run out to get us some beer. Luckily, the master chef allowed us to have some beers as we're enjoying this cooking class. So that was really awesome. Definitely come and book a cooking class with her.
I got extras.
Cheers. If you're ever in town.
Thank you very much.
She's so funny, like it just worked out so perfect that I came here high and she was cracking jokes, roasting, cause I was just laughing.
Yeah.
But alright, we gotta get into it real soon.
I'll come for a tequila. And what do we add? Coconut 50 ml.
Can you smell it? Add your 50 ml coconut milk when you start smelling. You lower it down.
Now it's for you. Wait till
Stir. Now add your 50 ml coconut milk in. Yeah, now. You just scratch like that. Add this. They'll stop scratching. Now check taste, please.
Wait, did you use that?
I made a dessert curry. I made my own thing.
And you're gonna go back to fucking Dubai and cook for that?
Right?
No, this no. Maybe I'll just stick to the pad thai.
So good. And now? Alright, mate.
It's okay. You wanna try? You tell me. You be the judge.
I found it sweeter.
Yeah?
Need more.
Fish sauce, right? Yeah. Fish sauce.
I forgot to put the leaves in.
That's at the
I
end.
got to the very end.
Yeah, it's at the end.
I put it in the
What the leafนี่ไง
Really good fish sauce, right?
I keep this one for you.
Half an hour, half tablespoon.
Because we hot already.
peanuts in it.
Alright, here's
I'm
the
gonna
khao
put
soi
your
that I
picture
just
on
made.
our pie family. Do not let them in your restaurant.
Can I have a plate?
This is khao soi, sorry. This is khao soi.
Oh, let's try this khao soi, baby.
What happened to yours?
Try mine. This is my one. Okay. Try my one.
Looks good, right?
It's sweet.
What do you mean?
It looks different.
I'm gonna try yours.
That's what I mean.
Try mine with all the
Well, I made
fucking
some mistakes.
sweet and all the special ingredients.
It's vegan.
It's vegan, but mine's got potato. Mine's got vegan. We're okay with chicken. You can vegetables.
Did you make veg curry?
Oh my god.
That
is a dessert.
What, that is so sweet?
So sweet.
What do you got? What you end up making?
I think it's supposed to be yellow curry.
I made what's it, banana, so try that.
So when green make with white, what color gonna be?
White, green.
Okay guys, we just finished the cooking class today. It was awesome. I highly recommend you guys coming down. I'm so full, I didn't even finish eating the last two of my meals. But she is the owner, she is the master chef. Come on down, this is over here in Pi. It's called Bebe's Walk and Roll. Make sure you guys come check it out. She is hilarious. Thank you so much.
Thank you to come.
Bye.
Good to see you. Bye.
Good to see you. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
So yeah, like I said, guys, come and check it out. Set in the back right here, nice little setting. They got about 10 stations, and it was really fun. Like I said, I came here, smoked a little bit, but now I kind of wish I didn't smoke because she was like teaching me a lot of stuff about the ingredients that I did not know. And mind you, like yes, I do use the ingredients back home, but I didn't know a lot. I learned way more today about these ingredients that I've been using, and yeah. So, all right, we're gonna end this video here because we gotta get out of here. Like I said, come and book BB walk and roll. Wait, walk and roll.
Walk and roll.
Walk and roll. All right, guys. See ya.